2 trucks off the side, per floor. No redesign, no extra labor, just smarter stacking. And yes, we've actually done it. Digital stacking isn't theory, it's a practical way to cut costs, reduce chaos, and make prefab work like it's supposed to. Let's break down how it works and why every project manager should care. Stick around to the end, I'll walk you through our real stacking method that helps us cut multiple trucks on our framing jobs. My name is Vlada, I'm a framing detailer at New Vision Agency, and I worked with wood and steel framing on over 50 projects. Stacking panels isn't just about fitting them on the truck, it's about fitting them right. Let me give you a real-world example. On one of our steel framing prefab project, the client told us we saved 3 to 5 trucks just by doing digital stacking. That's not just transport cost. It's fewer crane peaks, shorter unloading time, tighter delivery scheduling, and fewer people waiting around on-site for the right bundle to show up. If you're managing prefab and facing these same issues, feel free to reach out to us. We've helped teams fix this on real jobs, and we're always up to figuring out better ways to build. From what I've seen, digital stacking isn't optional, it's common sense. Skip it, and you'll end up with level 3 panels blocking level 1 installs, bundles out of sequence, and crews wasting hours just trying to get the right material in place. We've all seen what that looks like. Field teams waiting, crane running idle, and someone asking, who packed this? It's avoidable, and it starts with the stack. Digital stacking also gives project manager exactly what they need. Predictability. We are not estimating, we're calculating. Based on actual panel count, dimensions, bundle configuration, and weight, we can forecast the number of trucks, the loading sequence, and the offload order. That means you can book the right number of trucks in advance, schedule crane time more efficiently, coordinate deliveries around site access, crew shifts, and install zones. It takes the guesswork out of logistic and gives you a stacking plan that's aligned with your construction sequence, not just what's ready in the shop. Every truck you take off the schedule is real money saved, and not just in fuel. You're reducing driver cost, typically $500–800 per day, depending on region. Crane time, which can run $150–300 per hour. Flaggers, site access coordination, and staging labor, especially on light urban sites. Cutting just 3 to 4 trucks on a job can mean thousands of dollars back in your budget, and a smoother install that stays on schedule. But the environmental side matters too, especially for projects aiming for LEED certification, ESG reporting, or just smarter resource use. Fewer trucks means less diesel burned. Each truck saved can reduce fuel used by 20–25 gallons, cutting around 450–500 pounds of CO2 emissions per trip. Reduced job site congestion. Fewer trucks at staging areas can lower traffic flow by up to 30% during peak delivery windows, improving safety and access. Less idling and noise. Trimming just 3 trucks can mean hours less idle crane time, which keeps equipment quieter and neighborhoods less impacted. Most prefab workflows talk about sustainability during manufacturing, but smart stacking is one of the few ways you can push that efficiency all the way through delivery and install. If smart planning is your thing, hit that like and subscribe. No fluff, just tools that make your install smoother. Digital stacking isn't just about cutting truckloads. It's about making sure panels arrive in the order they are actually installed. Because even the best panels cause chaos if they are packed backwards. We use Onyx by Structsoft Solutions, one of the few tools built specifically for stacking prefabricated wall panels. It let us organize loads based on the actual install sequence, not just what's ready in the shop. We can sort and stack by building zone, for example, east wing versus west wing, floor level, or even individual panel install order based on shop tickets. Here's how we handle digital stacking, step by step, using Onyx by Structsoft solution on a real project. First step, start with panel sequencing. Each panel we model follows a specific naming convention, for example, L3-100E. L3 stands for level 3, 100 is the panel install sequence number, E means it's an exterior wall. We also use D for demesene, C for corridor, and other suffixes depending on wall type. We don't make this up ourselves. We usually get a layout or install sequence plan from the client or GC. Based on that, we assign sequences to every panel in the model. Step 2. Export to Onyx. Once panels are sequenced and modeled, we export them directly into Onyx, where the stacking logic begins. Step 3. Input client constraints. In Onyx, we plug in all the project-specific logistics: truck size, maximum load capacity, acceptable overhang, if there is any, bundle height and weight limits. This is critical. We are not guessing here. We are stacking based on real field constraints. Step 4. Stack smart, not just tight. This is where the Tetris begins. We don't just squeeze panel into safe space. We build bundles in the order they will be installed, starting with heaviest panel on the bottom, wall types grouped logically, exterior with exterior, corridor with corridor, etc. No mixed-purpose bundles. That avoids job site confusion and material chasing. The goal? Field crews open a bundle and install it. No sorting, no walking around with one panel trying to find the next one. Step 5. Sequence bundles by install location. We don't just stack bundles smartly. We also load the trucks based on their drop zone, so a truck with panels for the northwest corner doesn't show up with the material meant for the southwest wing. That means each truck unloads right where its panels are going. Simple, clean, efficient. Digital stacking isn't just a modeling task, it's a tool for project control. When we plan bundles based on real install sequence, track capacity and site logistic, it gives PMs predictable truck counts and delivery timing, accurate crane scheduling and manpower planning, clean handoffs between trades with framing staying on track, fewer delays, least material handling, and no guessing on-site. Whether you're trying to hit tight schedules or just avoid chaos during install, stacking smart makes a difference, and it's one of the simplest wins in prefab coordination. If you used digital stacking on your project, let us know in the comments what worked, what didn't, or what you'd improve. And if you haven't tried it yet, what's holding you back? Stay sharp, build smarter, and I'll catch you in the next video.